Oh, mixing TMR this morning. I do this every day. Dumping in the corn now. My drone died, so I can't get this, but you get one super duper full bucket. It's basically the amount of pounds that you need of corn for the ration. So, yeah. But when you get it real full, sometimes you spill a little. Not much. Enough to be annoying. Going back here in the shed for tomorrow. So we did haylage and corn silage, mix it, unload, and we put the protein in, dairy mix in for tomorrow's feeding, and then the corn. Just the way everything's set up. That's how it goes. So we're back in the shed here. For tomorrow. But we got a certain ration for a certain amount of cows. So you put X amount of pounds of hay, corn, what's basically. We added a little bit extra than they say today because it's so freaking cold. The cows are eating a lot more. So I think we added half a bucket extra of hay and corn silage than usual. Usually it's about 3 just stuffing full buckets. It's pretty close, but a little extra today because yeah, yesterday was pretty cold. I think it was negative 13 yesterday morning temperature. Today it says it's 15 out, but the south wind's blowing. I think the wind chill's about 0, so it's not quite as cold today, not as bad, but still sucks. Especially on cattle buildings because they're usually open towards the south, so the wind blows right into them, and then all the waters freeze. The water was froze up there, and then all 3 lower sheds were frozen. Basically, 4 of them were froze. Yesterday it was 3. You usually pour hot water on it, come back in a few minutes and see if it's running. But we did that, go back and check. Otherwise, you come back with more and more. If that don't work, then you're getting the space heater out. South wind on the barn. The south side has the least amount of insulation, and like everywhere else is the rock wall, but the south side has wood. So yeah, all the drinking cups are frozen in the barn today. That's what you get with the south wind. So we just shut the water off, and we'll fight it when we put cows in tonight. Get them thawed out. So basically what you do in the wintertime is just unthaw water. Like all the waters, they have heat tape on the pipe, and they got the tank heater. The pipe still freezes. So yeah.